She want one flower.
How about flowers?
Anniversary.
How long?
13 years married.
We bought a takeout food. Here's a crispy pata. I don't know how good it is. First time we buy in the restaurant. We got free chicharron in there. Okay. Let me try. Punchy. Then we have some spaghetti, burger, spaghetti. She said she's so hungry. It's yummy. And it's a hot sauce for the pata. There's a chili in there. And I got some milk tea. I got Sierra a strawberry shake. She said she didn't like it because guys. That's why you don't like it. Their milkshake, guys. Yeah.
Try to take it off the latest cabbage.
This is a cabbage. I sure cook. How's your spaghetti na? It's so yummy. How's your burger, Daddy? Good. How's mine? I don't know yet, but it tastes
Crispy.
Usually I make a cake in our wedding anniversary, but we got so busy this week, so we just take out food. Buy a take out food. Let me try this.
Open.
What's this? Open lang. What's this?
Hey, why whip like that?
It's good, but gosh, too spicy. Woo! The taste is good, but the spiciness is too much.
That's good too.
Ah.
I barely touched that spice. It's still stuck in my leg.
I'm gonna give it a chinky. Chinky! You should share. Oh.
What's the plan about this?
That's what she wants to eat in her house. Put the one if you can see my face.
Huh?
Bring it the one if you can see my face.
Your chin.
I know really ako nito. Then, this one tastes like suya bean. Like taho. This one tastes like taho. Chicharron tastes good, right?
Huh?
Chicharron tastes good. Chicharron. It's broccoli chicken. You put the oil when you fry it. This Korean mukbang, this thing lang. Those scrawny woman eat this, the whole thing with some like that spaghetti. I don't know if they're the one who eat it. You skip that video or you finish it. I like that one. It's really hot. Whew. I think it's the oil. I'll take the oil. Alright. You pour the oil. You think it's too spicy? Huh? that all I can say. I think it's a chili oil, right? Chili oil dipping. Put a little bit.
Really go out.
Other burger that tastes good. Yeah, let me see.
Phát được những cái này cũng không có lý. Đôi bạn có
It's not really a burger. It's like it's a burger. It's like a ham. Yeah. But look like a ham. Chicken. And then fried chicken.
What's that?
Okay.
So you must be hungry. You eat the whole spaghetti. I don't know, but it's so tasty. It's sweet. Your chicken is not crunchy, but it's really tender.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
The skin is not really crunchy, but it's really tender. Try daddy. Want more?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that
What
is
chicken?
That's the ugly today. I don't know.
Makes it pretty.
Very good.
Okay, let's move this.
Move that here.
I'm really hungry. Why you touch my hand? Why you touch my hand? Why you touch my sandbag?
What's your favorite?
Oh, your tails get smashed anyway.
This one?
Yeah?
No, not this one. Ah, okay, got it. Next line sound. Sierra was too hungry, and now she got spaghetti. Now she eats the whole serve. This is her second serving. She the first serving. You like it? Let me taste the spaghetti.
What?
Tastes good, right?
That's why I eat it. It tastes good, I taste it.
65. This one is only 365. It's very cheap. What do you mean?
Mom, this is pepper.
Wow, isn't it?
What?
This is pepper.
How
That's
much is a
hot
burger?
dog.
Does this look like pepper?
That's hot dog with spaghetti. Only 89.
Huh?
89.
Okay.
And that chicken and spaghetti is only 99. Very cheap. See? There's a lot in here. And it's only 365, I think. Their food are good and it's cheap. The woman's right. And the spaghetti is spaghetti with burger and fries only 89. Then spaghetti with fried chicken with spaghetti and fries only 99.
Hey, can we keep this box there?
Yeah, we can.
I want to make something with it.
Yeah,
Then we'll wash them.
you watch it.
Yeah, I want to put my small toys in there.
It is like the home.
There's a shop just in there.
That's the name of the restaurant. Yahoo. Yahoo. Or in English it's bowl, right? Bowl, like that.
Huh?
Bowl. Tama ba in English? So you call the one? Bowl.
Food bowl.
Soup bowl. In Bisaya, it's yehom. Yeah, yeah. Soup.
Aggravation. It's the goal. Oh.
Right? Our son put to order this with name, but I don't know where they got this thing right.
I thought you ordered it on Lazada. That's the same thing.
No, yeah, but this one, they put your name.
What name?
Lalo there, Daddy. I got Daddy really good now. And Ciara. So the spaghetti tastes good.
That's not what I took back. It's gone for that noodles thing. Piece of noodles.
Go back there?
I want to buy the spaghetti or something. Cheese.
Let's go back.
Right now?
Yeah, but Daddy wanted cheese.
Like it's so cold now.
Gotta pull my food first. I got permission to eat now.
Find this right there.
Just make it after 5 days. He said 5 to 7. He said 5 to 7 days. It's good.
You have to eat all of these spots. I'm gonna put them on chicken.
Just that medicine that woman give me. So he understood what was saying right in front of him.
Oh yeah.
Punchy.
Said the medicine that woman give me works good.
So I complain. Pero wag ka na medicine nila. Wag na wait after I can do everything.
Said that medicine only works a couple hours. Because he said you want to go to the dentist. He said you want to get nervous and scared when you go there. He said it's going to raise your blood pressure. That medicine is kind of plays the system.
Somebody pasta.
Why? The big one.
You got to do that first or you
Buy the medicine first.
Can we play?
Then you play.
That's how.
You play. How did you go to the download in your
Chocolate!
Chocolate.
Chocolate! Chocolate! I'm never like chocolate.
Okay, no way.
My tongue used to the spiciness and burn.
What does it love? It's feel nothing.
The chili is good in it, but that one is Take it lang.
It's good thing. It's a little bit more soft.
Ayun, basta yun.
It's still a decent taste, but it's slightly lacking on the salt that it has.
See some more.
For the one, the critics is all the food are good except the price.
The fries are bad for that cheese.
Because it covered with powdered cheese and it's not good. We don't like powdered cheese in
Maybe
our
I
fries.
when you watch my video.
When it's not bad, it's kind of easy to pick right in the middle.
We like our fries plain. Right? Plain.
Some people can take it.
We dip it in the
And why'd you order them that way then?
We don't know that
Because I didn't know there was no cheese in it. That's why.
We don't know they got cheese in this fries.
Hello!
I forgot.
Hello, Ira. What do I do?
What?
This is the best part. Want some?
No,
The part that kills you.
The part that kills you. I will eat this every day. And it's the leg part easy. So the fat rolls on the cholesterol. The cholesterol of a pork legs cholesterol.
That's what I had
I don't know if we can finish this. It's too much.
I'm not eating it. Wash these out, but be careful with them because you can crush them.
It's paper. I wax paper.
come and open up a small restaurant, sell grenades, gyros, poppers.
Grenade.
What do you call it? Grenade? I don't know how they call it a grenade. They call it a gyro and you're going to hop. Gyros are popular up there. Put a grenade on the menu with the cops to show it. They got grenades on you. I'm telling you. It ain't real, it's a food. You can eat it. You can eat that grenade. What's it look like? A real grenade? No. Somebody calling it a grenade. That's how reason call it gyro, but it don't spin. That's what they call tacos. You go to Taco Inn, an explosive. Those little small sticks of dynamite that the Mexicans used to mine with. And down in Mexico in the 1800s, they called those little sticks of dynamite tacos.
It's like that's why. Look at that, she's smart. You have to run.
Don't separate the shop. Keep them all together.
So I forgot to take picture of food.
It'll be easy about the doctor.
Here we go.
Oh no, who is he?
Nosy bastard. Because it's a doctor, but it won't dress like a doctor. I was like, who the hell's that? He's wearing normal clothes. Turned out to be a good guy. But I just didn't know who he was. But the problem was, I didn't know who he was. He didn't have no uniform. He had no civilian clothes. I was wondering why the hell is he nosy like that? With civilian clothes? I thought it was just some nosy person. I didn't know he was a doctor. No stranger asking your address, your birthplace, your name, your social security number, your bank account, how old you are, when you were born, where you're from. No strangers. And people blame that information. Well, what the hell are you doing? Don't even know that person.
I think my blood pressure is up already. Finish your hamburger then.
I can't. It's like a McDonald's burger. Sort of gets cool, but taste changes. Just plain.
Now you're white again.
I'm nervous. My blood pressure number over 100. I know that way. The bottom number, what you're looking at. I was thinking I'm gonna get that fishing line, wrap it around that rough. I was thinking I'm gonna get some of that line, time that 2, 5, 6 times, double up 2 or 3 lines of it so it'll be strong. Wrap it around one of those big rocks, and climb up on that ladder, point. Do like some of those other videos, fast forward to eat. Don't have to cut a lot out, just get it there. Real big food to eat. Slow again.
Now, what do you want?
I know.
Can we have
What's
one?
good?
Told you it's on that other one. That Windows.
Okay. Yes, we can do
Cutter. We're not eating now because I can finish that. He didn't help because he got toothache.
Toothache. It's just, if some food gets them in there, it'll be a toothache. Eat that burger and that piece of chicken. I can't hold that much.
So I'm done. So yeah, you're done. What are you doing? Say bye. Don't forget. Say it. Hey guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video.
Hey, you hit the button and tell me do this.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Oh,
Give me your gorgeous look and say it.
Don't forget to like.
Oh, see?
I can do the accent.
You look crazy.
Okay.
Be nice.
Don't forget to like,
I know
subscribe,
that.
and share.
Be nice.
And be nice.
Okay.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And be nice. Till next time, this is the former family.
say thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sierra. She's shy tonight. I don't know why.